Login loop error on Revolut Fix. If your Revolut app keeps looping back to the login screen every time you try to sign in, it can feel like a never-ending cycle. You enter your number, get the code, tap it and boom, right back where you started. The surprising truth is that this problem usually has nothing to do with your account. Instead, it's caused by outdated cache files or permission errors on your device. Revolut stores temporary session data to remember who you are between logins. When that data gets corrupted or mismatched, the app can't complete authentication, so it restarts the process again and again. To fix it, start by force closing the Revolut app. Then, go to your phone settings, locate the app, and clear its cache and data. This wipes out any stored login tokens that might be causing the loop. Next, reopen the app and request a fresh login link or code. Enter your phone number manually, don't rely on autofill, and when the verification code arrives, type it in directly. If Revolut asks for biometric login, skip it temporarily and log in with just your credentials. Once you're in, you can re-enable biometrics later. Still looping? Check that you're not running a VPN, as Revolut's security system blocks suspicious IP addresses. Also, make sure your device's time and date are set to automatic. A time mismatch can cause authentication failures. If you recently updated your phone's operating system, uninstall and reinstall the Revolut app. This refreshes the app permissions and resets its secure certificate handshake with Revolut's servers. After these steps, your login should go through normally, no more endless loops. So, if Revolut keeps spinning you back to the start, remember it's not your account that's broken. It's just a small cache or sync glitch. Clear it out, verify properly, and you'll be back to managing your money in no time.